What's up, guys? If you're new to my channel, my name is George Wulfers and I'm a professional game developer. For the best tips and tricks on game programming, subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon to be notified when I upload a new video every Monday. Okay, now that we have our scoreboard item ready, we can actually start implementing our scoreboard.
So we have almost everything that we need. We just need a little bit more here. So instead of using this table, we're just going to delete it. Well, actually, we're not going to delete the table. We're just going to delete this group here. Remove. And what we're going to be doing is we are going to be getting the scroll view here. So we are only going to be needing the vertical scroll and not the other one. So we don't need the other one. We do, okay, so let's put back in the vertical because we do need it. Let's make sure that these do that. And we're going to say upper left, I guess. And that's it for that guy. We're also going to be adding another panel up here. We're going to, not in there, we're going to have it up there. Think about it too much, that's fine. We don't really care then about that. We're just going to have this guy be the full width. That's fine. And this is just going to be, let's do 50 for now, I guess. So this is going to be the header, pretty much. And we are going to have a horizontal layout here. And we're going to have just texts like we had in the item. And they're going to be auto-sized. We're going to have centered. And the headings are going to be 5, 1, 5, 1. Something like that. Player name. Score. And levels completed. Oh, text. Or we can just say name. Score. And something like that. Maybe we can have this guy be more like that. And 24, 32. So they're roughly the same size. And then for this guy, we can just be sure to Have them like that. And now, when we want to add any items in there, we just do that. We have to also be sure to use vertical layout here, I believe. And maybe not the height. And that's pretty much how it's going to show. And you can scroll around. You can scroll whatever that is. And that's how it's going to work. Maybe we can also add this content probably has to go down there. Viewport, everything is good there. Maybe we also need a title of some sorts. So we're gonna put this up here, and we're gonna make sure it reaches there, and we'll figure out that padding in a bit. We're going to call it Scoreboard. It's going to be in the middle, and we're going to make sure that these are properly set there. We're going to get the padding here. And really we don't need it, but let's just put ones all around just for fun. And there we go. That's our scoreboard. And now all we got to do is add entries.
So there you have it. I hope this video was helpful and of value to you. If you liked it, be sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon to be notified when I post a new video every Monday. Be sure to also share this video with anyone you think will benefit from it. If you have any questions, please post them on the comments below. I would love to hear from you. So here are other videos on game programming using Unity and C#. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video. Stay safe, and we'll see you next week.
Welcome to our new video.